Hello class and welcome to English 101 Online for week 2. For this week in English 101 Online, you have three major assignments to work on leading up to your essay. The essay, of course, is not due this week, but you're doing all the scaffolding, the readings leading up to it. For this week, you'll be working on the Lumen thesis statement practice. You'll be also doing the Tech 2 discussion board post, and you'll be doing a response to the readings and to your peers' post. If you're looking at the calendar, you should see what's coming up due. I urge you to take a look at the calendar each day to see what is coming up due. Specifically, let's take a look at the assignment. So for the Lumen thesis statement practice, you may want to actually peek at the you may want to take a peek at the assignments tab on Blackboard to see what the assignment will be coming up due at the end of week 3. So the tab for assignments is just below the discussion board tab on the navigation bar. In the assignments tab, you will see the technology essay, and you can read about the requirements for this essay, the prompt, and the questions that are required. Maybe after looking at this, you may think about what aspect of technology, harassment, cyber harassment you may want to deal with for your essay. Once you've figured that out, then you can think of working on your Lumen thesis statement practice. For the thesis statement, I am only looking for one sentence that is your opinion about the topic you've chosen. So I'm not really looking for multiple sentences. I'm not even looking for an introduction. I'm just looking for a sentence that states your opinion about your topic. If it's online cyber harassment of women, what is your opinion about that? Is it out of control? Is it a big problem? Is it not such a big problem? Is it blown out of proportion? Whatever is your opinion that you will support with research, write that sentence as a practice, and I'll take a look at it. Also, for the second assignment, which is the tech assignment, you will have to work on a chart for this week after doing the readings, watching the videos, and so forth. Your initial post will be a chart based on the readings. You will, of course, do a quote analysis, and of course, you'll be responding to at least 2 other peers when you begin to do it. So I hope this was very helpful, and I wish you best wishes and good luck for this week.